Hazrat Muhammad bin Ka'ab Qurayzi said, Jaza means to utter ill words and to harbor suspicions. Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam said, I cry out for assistance in my anguish and sorrow unto Allah. Surah Yusuf, verse 86. Hazrat Ishaq bin Abdullah bin Abu Talha heard Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu saying, Hazrat Abu Talha's son was ailing and died when Hazrat Abu Talha was not at home. When his wife saw that he had died, she surrounded him and placed him in a corner of the house. When Hazrat Abu Talha came, he said, How is the boy? She said, He is calm and I think he is feeling comfortable. Hazrat Abu Talha thought it true. So he passed the night, and in the morning after taking a bath, when he intended to go out, he was told that the boy had passed away. So he performed prayer with the Prophet ﷺ, then appraised the Prophet ﷺ of what happened between them. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, It is possible that Allah may bless your night. Sufyan said that a man of Ansar said, I saw that 9 boys were born to them and all were the Quran readers. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1301.